one of my favourite hats at the moment, which I've recently made. It's along the lines of me using the Western felts for a Fedora hat, which makes much more of a rugged hat, if you like. This one is a long-haired 40% beaver, 60% rabbit fur felt from Fepsa. It's almost like a long hair. I've pounced it for a good 45 minutes to an hour, and it's come up extremely soft, which you'd expect from that mixture anyway. It's got a very nice teardrop crown. It's a 38mm Grosgrain in bronze and matching 20mm bronze around the brim, which, as you can see, it's quite a wide covering at the bottom and a small covering at the top. One of our linings in there, but with a very nice 2-inch self-coloured leather sweatband, which is extremely soft. It's not quite Rowan, but it's extremely soft and comfortable. This one you can wear obviously up or down. The brim does stick down nicely, so I'll just show you what it's like on, because this one's a size 60, and I'll just double check that, but I've been wearing it, so I'm pretty sure it is. Yeah, it's definitely a size 60, and there we go. So that's up with the brim, and that's the brim down, which I must admit I prefer the brim down, but this one will be up for sale on the website very soon.